guys, today I'm doing another emoji video. So this will be a cold frozen face water. And guys, if you are watching this video, tune in for my before video, which was making a silly face. Silly, huh? And for this video you will need some paper, a template if needed, and some colors. So this one I'm going to start to do it. In my last video I made it with a pencil, the outlining, but now I'm going to do it with a marker. See? And for this one, first I'm going to use a pencil to draw. For the first one, it's going to be a mouth. It should be mostly halfway, and then you have to do another line. It shouldn't be that long, just enough. I'm just making it a bit longer, just to give it the best texture. Now we're going to give a nice curve. Then we have to make a line just to make sure it's halfway, a halfway line. Then this way line. Then we do a line here, and a line in the middle of those two. You don't need to make it a specific amount of lines. I'm just doing it a bit random. This is just like they're shipping like this. They showed it to you like that, just to make sure it will look cool. Now I'm going to draw the eyes. A nice oval shape, not a circle shape, okay? And in this one there will be no pupils. Now we're going to draw all the ice stuff. So there should be one just mini curve here, then another going down and going up. It shouldn't be connected. And now the next one is going to be, it should be a bit long. That's just going to give it a nice frozen texture. You can make this randomly, but just make some long, make some short. Here there are not literally any ones which are that long. So that looks nice. Just making another one. These are like the crystals coming on your face. Now we're going to draw a side one. Now that should be a bit long. And then we do some short ones just to give a nice texture. And another big one. Then as we did a long one here, we have to do the same thing on the left side, the right. They kind of look like nails. Some nails, something like that, yeah. See, now this is going to be a smaller one and another connected one. Looks like real icicles. You may when you're texting, you find all these emojis. You find that silly one and this one. So that looks like it's it. We are finished, and now it's time to color. Okay, now I'm just going to color. For this one, I'm using oil pastels and these markers for outlining. A lot of oil pastels. Okay, for the first one, I'm just going to, see at the sides it was a bit darker, so we are going to use darker blue, which is exactly called, this is cobalt blue. So that will go good even. But make sure it's not So it should be thinner at the sides, and when you go, the more up you go, the more thicker it gets. See, here it should be thinner, then it's going. There's more layers. Like it's going up like a ramp. And again, it gets shorter. Sometimes it can go out of the lines, which happens a lot. It's okay if they go out of the line. Keep practicing and you will be a pro. Just giving a more thickness, just me. That looks like a good emoji for now. Keeping it back, and now we're gonna use a bit light blue. Guys, if it's kind of hard to see on camera, but if you see it, there's a bit white. It's a bit whiter, so we have to make sure. Guys, for the up part, I have to do light, just like I did in that video for the top. For the silly ones, that's what I mean. Really, we're going, guys, but we won't see that at the end. Guys, don't worry if they go inside the eyes, because we will take care of that at the end. Now, there will be a bit difference. Guys, what's your favorite color? Write it in the comments. I like the dark blue. I like navy blue, my favorite. Just give some navy blue is dark. That's why that's my favorite color. And I love every shade of blue except from sky blue and light blue. Yep. They kind of look like scribbles close to the eyes, but that will go away when we do it at the end. It doesn't look that nice, but when we finish it, it will actually nice. Just now, guys, be careful when you go close to the ice crystals. But if you go in the ice crystals, you can just cover it in. You can just mix the color up with white. In some cases, mixing colors is not good, but in this case, which I'm telling you, it's good. Guys, I'd rather prefer you should use color pencils or oil pastels or crayons, whatever it is. In the video, this may look a bit bad, but that's going to be over. Just doing another shade of sky. Looks like everything is patching up. So it's starting to look exactly like we expected it. Now what we're going to do is going to be the difficult part. We're going to do this, just erasing this all up, just so it doesn't mix up with the color, which you never wanted to happen. Yep. Nicely light we're going to make it. So like see, all these white parts close to it are going to get patched up. It's like you're in like a cold place like the Himalayas or Mount Everest. It'd be very cold. You'd be using it. Like if you were at Mount Everest and someone asking how are you feeling, you should text them this emoji, which will mean you're very cold. it kind of looks the same now. Yep, it's definitely the same. Guys, this is just the start of it. Now we're going to make the eyes, but just before that, outline. The eyes have to be in a dark color. That's that. Now I have to do a lot more outlining because we are not finished yet. Guys, if you have any questions, write them in the comments. Then I'll help you. With your questions. In any video, just ask in the comments, then I'll answer your question for you. That's that. Really tiring. Now I'm going to color all of these icicles white. Don't worry guys, this is kind of easy art. It just takes around the length of this video. That means that much time to take to make this. It'll only take 15 minutes just to make this one thing. Yep, done. It looks so dark. We want it light. That's why I prepared just erasing a little bit of that. See, now this icicle looks as light as those. Just gonna have to make every outer surrounding. Sometimes you will need to erase it just to give it a nice white. People will know it seems like an emoji. Guys, this emoji is really easy. It just takes 15 minutes to make. No, not longer than that. If you're a beginner and just starting to be doing art stuff like this, then you're going to take up to 30 minutes, I think so. It depends on how much fast you are. If you're fast, I'm normal speed and all. So that looks light. So that's enough for today's video, guys. They look the same. Everything is good. Bye, guys. I hope you had fun watching my videos. Bye.